Master the art of alphanumeric outlines for public speaking. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of public speaking and presentations, with a specific focus on how to prepare your speeches effectively. One of the most important steps in this process is creating an outline, and our approach today will be through alphanumeric outlines. Now, don't let that fancy term worry you. It's all about using Roman numerals, letters, and numbers to organize your ideas. So, you might be asking, what exactly is an alphanumeric outline? Well, an alphanumeric outline is a method of organizing your thoughts and arguments into a clear structure, using Roman numerals I, 2, 3, IV, capitalized letters A, B, C, Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, and lowercase letters A, B, C. Think of it as a blueprint for your presentation or speech. Just like a building starts with a blueprint, your speech begins with an outline. It is the framework that holds your ideas together, allowing you to deliver your points clearly and coherently. Creating an alphanumeric outline is like building a pyramid. You start with broad, general ideas and narrow down to specific details. 1. Roman numerals I, 2, 3, IV. These are used for your main points or primary headings. For instance, each numeral could represent a key argument in your speech. 2. Capitalized letters A, B, C. Under each Roman numeral, you can use capitalized letters to denote sub-points that support the main idea. 3. Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3. For each capitalized letter, you can further break down your thoughts into detailed points with Arabic numerals. 4. Lowercase letters A, B, C. And lastly, if necessary, these can be used for the finer details under each Arabic numeral. Remember, each level of detail should be indented further than the one before it. Let's visualize this with a quick example. If you were giving a speech on the importance of learning English, your outline might look like this. I. Introduction. A. Brief background about English as a global language. B. Importance of learning English. 2. Benefits of learning English. A. Career opportunities. 1. Higher salary potential. 2. Global job market. B. Educational benefits. 1. Access to global knowledge. 2. Enhanced academic success. 3. Conclusion. A. Recap of the importance and benefits. B. Encouragement for learning English. And that's it, folks. You're now equipped to structure your speeches and presentations using the alphanumeric outline. This method is an excellent tool to organize your thoughts and create a smooth flow for your speech. We hope you found this video helpful and wish you the best in your public speaking endeavors. Happy outlining, and until next time.